So yes people, what's going on? It's John here, back with AJCars, and today we're just going to be bringing you a little video where we go for a point of view drive in the M140. We're going to chat through the future plans for the channel and with the car. Yeah, we're not going to talk too much, we're just going to get straight into it. We'll have a little chat and then we'll just go for a drive. So yeah, first point is for the channel. So just to give you guys a heads up, just a quick one, and then we'll get into driving, is we've got loads of things coming. We're going to get the cars lowered, spaced. This car will be getting mapped in the near future. It's not a confirmed date, but it's definitely going to happen. And then yeah, so we've got a lot of exciting things coming up. We'll be going back to Caffeine and Machine. We'll also be going to Santa Pod in June or August, I think. So yeah, we've got loads of things coming up. We want to try and grow the channel a bit, get some more exciting content out there for you all. So yeah, that's mainly what's coming with the channel, so there's a lot to look forward to. With the car, so we're going to be going stage 1 or stage 2 in the coming months. Yeah, so that'll take, stage 1 will take it from like 410ish, and if we end up going stage 2 it'll be around 450. So yeah, there's definitely some exciting stuff coming. And we're going to try and make the channel just fun, go to car meets, go to car events, and just show you all like what it's like being in the car scene really. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, and yeah, we'll go for a quick drive just so you can enjoy it, and then yeah, let us know if you want to see any specific videos in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. That's another thing I love, man. Like, even you get like the digital like oil temp there in the dash, and then you also get obviously the like tyre pressure monitor, which gives you the pressures and the temperatures of the tyres, which is good. But obviously you can see, I don't know whether you can see, but the back right tyre is hotter than the back left. Whether that's true or not, I'm not sure, but it would make sense if, because it's still got an open diff, that it's just spinning up the one wheel more than the others. Because we're heading into Leamington now, Leamington town centre, the exhaust just sounds mad when it opens with all the high buildings and stuff. It sounds absolutely nuts. So I'll get the windows down a little bit so you can hear it. Hopefully it's not too busy and we don't get shouted at, but yeah, it sounds fucking nuts. Sounds insane. Gotta be careful because there's a police station down here. Yeah, so that's been a quick drive, guys. I'm not sure what other videos you want to see. I might end up taking this car to a skid pad because I've never really done anything like that, and I'm not the best when the back end goes, so I would actually really like to get a bit better and be able to understand car control a little bit more. So yeah, that might be something in the future, or I might look into when I get home, about going to a skid pad or a novice drift day or something like that, because it looks really fun and I'm not very good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys, and yeah, there's plenty more videos coming. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.